Since we're new to banking, let's talk about different ways we could deposit money into our bank account because walking into a branch isn't your only option. Now, of course, you can always deposit funds by visiting your bank's branch lobby or using the drive-thru. This works great for face-to-face interactions, especially when you need help from a teller. And not to mention, you're growing that banking relationship. The bank's getting to know you. You're getting to know your bankers. So there's that relationship aspect. But for purposes of both speed and convenience, there are other methods worth knowing. Starting off with mobile deposit. This one's super simple. You snap a photo of the check using the bank's app, confirm the amount, confirm the account you want to put it into, and then click submit, and it's as easy as that. Funds are deposited without ever having to leave your house. Now let's look at some of the pros associated with this. It's super convenient. It's available 24/7. No need to ever visit a branch. Now, let's note some of the cons. There may be limits on this one, and I know a lot of clients get frustrated with the daily or monthly deposit amounts that are available. Sometimes you could get them increased, but that's temporary. Some checks take longer to clear, and you want to be sure you always hold on to the check until it fully clears and it shows up into your account, because another department works on processing these, and sometimes they might not ever even show up, or there's an error, and then you got to take the check up to the bank. So those are some of the headaches that come with mobile deposit. The next being ATM deposit. So this one's super simple. You take your debit card, you visit a bank ATM, you insert cash or checks directly into the machine, and then boom. Some ATMs even let you deposit without an envelope. So some of the pros with this one is it's available after hours. It's good for both checks and cash. Instant deposit options are at certain machines, but note this, some may require certain ATMs, like ATMs owned by your bank. Deposit limits or delays might apply depending on when it was processed, how much it is, or if you used a non-network ATM, that could also delay the availability of the deposit. The third option being night deposit box. So this is a secure drop-off box outside the bank. It's ideal for business owners or after-hour deposits, typically used with a key or deposit bag, and it might have an associated fee. So some of the pros, you could deposit cash, checks, or bundles at any time, even overnight. It's safe, it's traceable, you're on camera doing it. But note this, funds aren't processed until the next business day. Sometimes it could even be forgotten about because in those vaults, there's like other stuff, so it's easy to look over a little envelope. It's only available at certain branches, and sometimes the contents in the night deposit box aren't insured. So if you got cash in there and then it comes up like stolen or they miscount or anything, it's not insured. So just note that. Also, bank transfers and direct deposits. You can set up a direct deposit with your employer for paychecks. You can use ACH transfers from another account. You can link external accounts for easy movement of money. But these aren't physical deposits, but they serve the same purpose, getting your funds into your account quickly and securely. There are more ways than ever to deposit money into your account, whether that's snapping a photo of your check, dropping off at an ATM, or using a night deposit box. You don't always have to wait in line, so choose the option that fits your schedule and lifestyle the best. Just make sure you understand the processing times, the limits, and safety steps for each one. Hopefully this video is valuable for you, and stay tuned for more in the Beginner to Banking playlist. See you soon.